Hello guys, welcome back to TechNetics YouTube channel. In this video, we are just going to start our first ever YouTube video tutorial that is on Google Cloud Platform tutorials. So, if you are interested to learn Google Cloud technologies, how to use the resources, what is cloud computing, so how to start to learn Google Cloud technology, then this is the right place for you, and this is the right time to start Google Cloud technologies because this time Google Cloud or cloud technologies are very high, very much in demand. Okay, so let's start, but we are not just going to cloud computing. Before that, we have to understand what is the scenario at that time when there is no cloud computing. So what was happened at that time, or what was happening at that time? So let's take a scenario to run an IT firm. If you suppose you are in the 90s and you want to run an IT firm, then there are multiple things that you need to take care of yourself. No one is going to take that. Suppose I want to run my IT firm, so I need lot of big servers. Okay, I need lot of storage devices and manage network devices like routers, switches, firewall, cables. These are the all networking devices, networking equipments that you need to run a IT organization or IT firm. And except all of these, you need people to manage these above resources. Okay, that time this was the requirement. What happened after some time? There is a thing come in the picture, that is a virtual server without internet. So what happened at that time before virtual server? What happened? One server can run only one website. Okay, this is only for the example that you can understand what exactly is virtual server. Okay, so before VS, what was happening at that time? One server can run only one website. Okay, after virtual server, one server can run multiple websites. Suppose you have a 40 GB hard disk. Okay, and you are hosting a website, and that requires only 20 or 10 GB. Okay, now what was happening for the 30 GB remaining? Okay, or 20 GB remaining? Okay, so that is why we need a virtual server. We can divide the virtual server according to the needs of, or to run that particular website. So after virtual servers, what was happened that time? One server can run multiple websites. Okay, and we can divide different servers like 40. If one server has 40 GB memory, then we can divide it to and make it to four servers. Okay, so that was achieved by a software that is known as hypervisor software. Okay, but let's understand what is the problem. What were the problems faced by the IT firms before cloud computing? So exactly, if you understand the scenarios that I have discussed just right now, so you think that what are the problems? High upfront amount needed. Okay, storage issues, cyber security issues, performance. Now, one of the major issue, if you want to run a website and you won't make it to global at that time. So that is the access issue. Is one can access same website within one building or over land. Okay, but businesses required to access same thing around the globe. So how can this can be achieved? How can this achieve? That is why cloud computing came into the picture. And the same thing, virtualization of server can doing little thing. But if internet plus virtualization of server can mixed, then there is a term comes in our picture, that is cloud computing. So cloud computing is nothing but the delivery of computing services that is required, including server, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence over the internet. Without internet, there is no cloud computing. There is no access of the resources over the globe or over anywhere wherever you want to. So that is all about cloud computing. We will discuss lot of things in next videos. This is just an intro to this course. So thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe and like, and thank you. We will meet in another video with another topics. Thank